Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis on Budget Day. Let's come to the point. Nifty comes down till its reversal support zone, that 13,500 to 700. So for now, if it sustain above 13,850 to 14,000, then most likely it move for uptrend till 14,250 to 350. Otherwise, below 13,500 it will comes down for 12,800 to 13,200 for reverse. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally, we are in budget volatility and Nifty closed in between 13,500 to 700, which is its strongest reversal support for last rally till near 14,800. So for now, in my point of view, we can see an uptrendy rally till 14,400 with support of 13,500. Otherwise, if it comes down below 13,500, then most likely we can see its most another reversal support, that 12,800 for now. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed above 30,500 after reverse from near 29,500. So for now, above 30,200 to 30,500, it will try to move for 32,000 to 33,000. Otherwise, below 29,500, it will reverse from 28,200 to 500 zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. As per budget volatility, we already comes down till major support of major indices. So for now, as on chart prediction, we can see major uptrend till 32,000 plus with support of 29,500 to 30,000. Otherwise, below 29,200 to 500, most likely Bank Nifty will try to comes down till 27,500 to 28,200 once for reverse. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's our. For Nifty future, there is a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 14,400. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that's are 13,965 and 14,250. There is a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 13,000. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 13,350 and 13,129. Same as for Bank Nifty future also, there is a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 32,300. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that's are 31,289 and 31,786. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 29,950. To achieve this resistance, to achieve this support, there are two reversal supports, that's are 30,429 and 30,146. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity with trading range and midpoint for some stocks. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Supreme Industry, that LTP is 1808. Its upper range is 1950 and lower range is 1750. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 1800 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance, that 1950. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 1800 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its lower range or lower reversal support, that 1750. And when it reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Supreme Industry, that LTP is 1808. Tata Elxsi, that LTP is 2690. Godrej Industry, that LTP is 437. Godrej Property, that LTP is 1257. HDFC Life, that LTP is 677. ICICI Bank, that LTP is 537. ABB, that LTP is 1388. Alchem, that LTP is 3006. HDFC Bank, that LTP is 1390. APL Limited or Alembic Pharma, that LTP is 952. AU Bank, that LTP is 872. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading.